Hello and welcome to Chapter 1 of the Devlog Diaries. Today's chapter begins with me compiling a list of all the basic game details that I'll use as a guideline in the creation of my first game. Information such as the game pillars create constraints that help keep my ideas focused and uniform. With this information completed, I move on to the second part of today's chapter. In this section, I curate references that will aid me in design aspects of game development. I look for things such as character design and world design, as well as the general design aesthetic. I use this to help give me a better understanding of the look and feel I am trying to capture in my game's design. I chose to give the robot you will be controlling a more human feel than today's artificial intelligence, as I wanted the player to feel connected with her. Contrasted to the human characteristics of our protagonist, I wanted our villain to look lifeless and thought this would be best portrayed through the use of misted eyes and a decrepit face. For the world design, I found inspiration in a look that can best be explained as neon lights in darkness. Finally, for the design aesthetic, I went with a very clean and minimal design. I chose this style of design as I believed it best suited my skill set, as well as complementing the sci-fi setting I put together in the basic game details.
This will conclude the first chapter of the Devlog Diaries. Thank you very much to everyone who made it this far in the video. If you did, please consider subscribing because I'll be releasing a chapter every Sunday. In the next chapter, I'll be creating the initial design for my characters as well as some concept art. Finally, before you go, I hope you have an amazing day and goodbye.